Ted art. Now we have one craft for you today, which is a super cute free printable Pilgrim Cootie Catcher for Thanksgiving. This is a collaboration with the awesome Mrs. McTivity, a great resource website for printables for both at home and in the classroom, and she shared this wonderful pilgrim with us today. So come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. Once again, Mrs. McTivity has provided us with a number of printables to choose from. I'm going to be making this pilgrim. He's the one that has some facts, which I think is a really fun way of learning about Thanksgiving. But of course, there's a color your own version. There's a version with numbers. You can put your own Thanksgiving messages inside. There's some with Thanksgiving drawings. So there's actually loads to choose from, and they're all free and they're absolutely fabulous. So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, cut them all out. I'll speed that part of the video up because it's obviously a little bit boring for you, and then we'll do the next step. So once you've cut out all your bits, it's time to fold our cootie catcher. Now I'm going to start by folding it in half just to create some of those helpful guidelines. Now of course the cootie catcher has them all on there already, but it does help when you've got the fold in there as well. So I have my cross in the middle. Now I need to bring each corner into the center. Flip it over and again bring each corner into the center. Fold in half. Open, turn, fold in half. It just gives you some extra creases. Now bring the two corners together, or all four actually, so push the four corners together. There we go. Open up the flaps. And you have your basic cootie catcher finished. Isn't he cute? Now we just want to add the arms and the hat. Line it up with the hat that's already drawn there. And the same on the other side. When it's together, you will have a neat hat. Look at that. Let's just neaten that up. There we go. I think that's good. Isn't he adorable? Love it. And then if you want, you can also add some arms, but you don't have to add those if you don't want. Let's get those off. Have a little arm here. Actually, you know what? I might stick them. No, let's put them like this. And the other side. So you can stick them underneath as well if you prefer. It doesn't matter. Here we go. And that is your basic Cootie Catcher Printable Pilgrim finished. Isn't it adorable? So cute. And I love that with this particular one, you learn lots of facts about Thanksgiving. And I think it's really, really cute. Now remember, this is a free printable from Mrs. McTivity, a fabulous resource website that has lots and lots of other printables. She has also created this wonderful peacock for us. as well as these fantastic turkey cones that are a great paper toy, or you can wear them as a party hat, or there's an extra little piece so you can use these as place cards. So a 3-for-1 craft here, a super fun turkey cootie catcher, and of course here is the Pilgrim 2. So yes, lots to choose from. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye!